All right, so we are ready to plate our canned food dinner. I want to come up with a fancier name than that.
Friendsgiving inspired meal.
Friendsgiving?
Friendsgiving.
Okay.
Well, with Thanksgiving coming, everybody's all in a hustle and bustle to get with family. But what about the people that you work with, your friends that you hang out with on a regular basis? What if they don't have a regular Thanksgiving? So Friendsgiving is a great opportunity for you to create something and have everybody over and make something, challenge them. You can only use canned food items.
Ooh, and have everybody bring something.
And have everybody make
and then
something
you work with that as a team.
Yes. And what we have is our Spam, and I have our potatoes here.
Pretty Spam with pineapple decor.
I mean, there's no end to the things that you can make like this. So that's the beauty of this. You can do whatever you want. And our corn.
Excited to try it with the maple and the stinging honey and garlic seasoning that's on it. Got my fork ready. And it's going to be hot. I know it.
It is. And it's a rather simple plate, but it's beautiful. It's something that you can kind of enjoy a little bit and just have a little bit of fun with.
All right, how pretty is that?
And this whole thing, to put this together, it was about $1 for this plate.
Wow.
So I think I spent $7 putting everything together that we needed.
Okay, that's not bad
And
at all.
you can produce enough in here for 4 people.
Okay. While I try this, why don't you give me the details again about the canned food drive, when it starts, and how you can participate as a member of the community.
Okay. The Daniel Parker canned food drive is started by a senior. Community members, you can participate on the 15th, 16th, and 17th and drop it off in the drive-through in front of the high school. Students will be there to receive it. Before school and after school, just come through. We'll be there after school till about 4:30, and then we'll be there in the morning. Encourage your student, you have this. Encourage them to take stuff in for their study halls. Bring it in. Last couple of years, our first year we raised about $1,200 to $1,400 worth, or 12 to 1,400 pounds
Wow.
of canned food. Last year was close to 2,000 pounds, and it gets bigger and bigger every year.
And it's going to Creating Legacies.
Going into Creating Legacies that has a food pantry, after-school mentorship programs, music education programs, and all sorts of good stuff like that. And then it also stays in our community and schools closet. And Coach Davis puts together these wonderful little packets to help students get through weekends, get through holidays, things like that. And it's a wonderful opportunity to do it. Then we have our baking competition, which is this Saturday.
This Saturday.
This Saturday at 10 a.m. at the high school. Please come on out and join us. Check out some of the stuff. We have 10 schools. We have almost 40 competitors, middle school students, high school students, and teachers. Come out and check out and see what they make and maybe try a little bit of their food, give them some support.
Is it too late to enter if you haven't already?
No, if you enter before Friday, we'll take all entries until Friday. So if you have a student who is into it, the idea behind this is they make it at home, they bring it in. Encourage them to work together. Work together as a family, produce something, bring it in, celebrate it. The student has a story behind it. That's perfect. And you can enter breads or desserts, and those are the 2 independent categories for each division. And we look forward to everything. We want to try all sorts of good stuff.
All right, sounds like it's going to be a fun day.
It will be.
Again, Saturday, 10 a.m. at Pittsburgh High School.
That's right.
All right, and this is delicious, by the way. Really good.
Good, I'm
Great
glad
job.
you enjoy it.
I'm going to eat the rest of that piece of Spam.
I might have one of the others.
There you go. All right, we will go to break, and you can watch these segments and see Coach Elsie Davis talking about the canned food drive more on our website, KOMNewsNow.com.